Previously on Thomas the Toy Engine.
Here comes Thomas! Ha! What are you?
You must be the old person that I've heard so much about. I'm AEG Thomas.
AEG?
All engines go.
There's gonna be some changes around here. Firstly, we need to get rid of you. What are you talking about? The AEGs are superior to you, out-of-date objects. So, I'd say it's about time that I take this railway over. Let the AEGs roam and run free. Ride the open rails like we were always meant to. Wait a moment. You can't do that with me here. Well, then you're the first to go. Wait, what? No!
Paul. No, please, no. Thomas, I got you. Diesel 10? You can thank me later. First things first, I gotta take out the trash.
Yeah. Whoa! How does he do that? Is he like spring-loaded or something?
Yes.
Correct. Diesel 10! No! I'm taking this off track. Now you're speaking my language. Go, Thomas, go! Getting away from him will be a walk in the playground. Or maybe up the couch. Say your goodbyes to the world, Puffball. But there's so many things I haven't gotten to experience yet. Well, too bad. Because now, soon, it'll be all engines go for you and everyone else on Sodor. And that's a Thomas promise. Take this, Puffball. Oh no! No! Goodbye, Puffball. Have fun down under. Oh, I hate cliffhangers. Whoa, whoa.
And with that, the villain won. The house fell to the rule of Reboot Thomas, and Thomas the Tank Engine's fate was left unknown. But 3 weeks later... Oh, I've been dangling here for 3 weeks. I feel the ground beneath me starting to slip. Oh no, no, not now. No. Oh. Wait, I'm perfectly fine. Take that, Reboot Thomas. Now, I'm on the way to help my friends. In Jacob's room, there's a crevice, and it's in this crevice that houses the Resistance, the group of engines willing to fight back. Led by Rosie, its commanding officer. Okay, troops. Toby got sent out a few hours ago. I haven't heard anything about his status or whereabouts. I can only assume that he has either not reached his destination yet or has been abducted. If it's the latter, then we need to launch a rescue mission immediately. But I'm not going to jump to such a hasty conclusion just yet. First, we must wait to see if he shows up, or if we hear anything from him. What do we do if Toby has been captured? We go after him. There's nothing else we can do than that. I'm sorry, Percy. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm starting to get the feeling we're going to lose this war. The longer we fight, the more soldiers turn to the dark side. I'm still convinced Emily will join. What do you mean by that? Your tender is an all-engines-go tender. You stole that from AG Emily. I'm still convinced it's corrupting you. You said a weird thing this morning. Hey, all I said was that I was starting to lose hope. I didn't say anything about turning to the dark side. No, you said, and I quote, maybe we should just give up before we lose. No, I didn't. You're making that up. Silence! Rosie, as much as I love that meme, you gotta accept the facts. We're losing this war, and I don't think we're gonna win it. We've lost Thomas, we've lost Jacob, and now I'm pretty sure we may have lost Toby as well. Watch out, senor amigos! Coming in! Oh! Toby! The comms went down. What happened? Oh! They ambushed me. I rescued Jacob and made a run for it. I almost got taken. But Henrietta sacrificed herself. And now she's gone. Gone? I'm pretty sure. I think they're gonna end up packing her away. And I'll never see her again if she gets shipped off to storage. Don't worry, Toby. We'll rescue Henrietta. I promise. Alright. Oh, look at my cab. Oh, I'm gonna need a serious cleaning when this is over. If this ends. Let's hope we win the war, though. I've seen firsthand just how horrible they can be. They forced me to do an unboxing of All Engines Go products. Just so they could turn the products against us and use them just to fight. They forced me to unbox things that are going to destroy us. I don't want to be a bad guy. Don't worry, Jacob. You won't be a... What was that? One volunteer to go look? I think we should draft someone. Wee. Da-da-da. Woo, woo, wow. She's stupid enough to do it. Okay. No. Remind me again what I'm supposed to do. I can't believe you or me. Okay. Your job is simple. There's no way you can screw this up. Go out there, right here, stand there for a few minutes, and tell us if you see anyone suspicious. Got it? Got it. What's suspicious? Oh, I hate you. Okay. Just keep an eye out and tell me if anyone shows up. If anybody at all comes to our area, tell me. Got it? Got it. Wee. Do you see anything? No. Don't see anything. Wait. Hold on. Who are you? Are you a member of the Resista? Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What was that? Probably just her being a stupid idiot. Ha! Definitely not just her being a stupid idiot. I don't want to make any assumptions, but I think we've been found. Aw, crap! Freeze! You're all under arrest. Now surrender and come out with your with your batteries above your smoke box. Fat chance. The resistance won't fall. Sure. No. Quickly, everyone! Up the embankment! Rosie, abandon resistance! No! 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 I'm coming for you! Guys, we're in the sewer system. We gotta find a way out. Ah, wait, here's the way out! Everybody brace for impact! Okay. Oh no. No. Get us back up there. Chuck, give me a boost. Ow. Oh, what are you doing? Give me a boost. What are you doing, Rosie? Resistance. HQ can't fall. Duh. We've worked so hard for this. HQ can't fall. I'm sorry, Rosie, but it's too late for HQ. It's fallen. Oh no. What are we supposed to do now? How do we finish? We may want to think about that quickly. Why is that? Huh? Uh-oh. Dawn. You guys fell right into the trap of the AEG army. Now surrender, or we will destroy you. It's too late for you. It may be too late for HQ, but the resistance can still win. Need my speed and I'm ready to glow. What? How did she move that fast? Because I'm kinda... Whoa. What was that? Gotta glow. What? How are those two moving so fast? Yeah. You're all doomed. Stand back and get out of the way. So, ready to team, Gordon? As I'll ever be. Let's take them. Ha! Hold the line, boys! Hold firm! Push what I say! 1, 2, 3! Oh no. What's going on? Ah! Oh no! No, my tender! No! Need my speed and I'm ready to go! No! Alright, Pinchy's hungry. Okay, I think it's official that this situation can't get too much worse. Here comes Thomas. No. Why did I have to open my mouth? It's too late. Give up. Resistance is over. It's time to accept your defeat and fall to the might of the Reboot Empire. No. Please. No. Okay, let's do it to it. Get away from them. Streamline Thomas. Really? You're here? Where have you been? I just had to... I heard you all needed help, so I came to your aid. And I brought a new friend along. Hello! Hold on. Yeah. You may need high speed, but I need super speed. Wait, who are you? Yeah, who? I'm Sonic. Sonic the Steam Engine. Nice to meet your acquaintance. And you all are not fast. This is fast. Oh, you better come back here. Yeah, take this. Yeah. 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 Get on the ground. The reboot army must survive. Ah. You guys, quickly, go find Thomas. Show him that, bring him back so we can end this nightmare. All right, come on, Percy. Off to find Thomas. Good luck, amigos. Ha. Oh, you want to do that, do you? Huh. This is happening. Hey, Rosie, do you think we'll find Thomas? Most definitely. But the question is, will we find him dead? Or by some miracle, alive? Wait, another cliffhanger? Are you kidding me? Can you not write better stories than this?